Hello and welcome to JS Funk. So today I'm just going to work on my project. I know I haven't updated the video about my game development, but I'll just quickly show you what I've done so far. Currently, I'm using Windows 10. Previously, all my work I was doing it. I was coding it on MacBook, but I recently purchased a new laptop, Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, and I'm enjoying it. And as you can see, the game is also getting compiled on Windows since I'm using Go programming. And I'll just show you what I've done so far. What I've done so far. Alright, if you received any double audio, because I was checking my stream, because I'm kind of streaming it for the first time. And okay, so this is how it is. Now you get abducted by an unknown warrior. Also, I'm going to change this character. He looks like a kid, but anyway. So the objective is you have to get out of this room, and once you are out of this room, there are a few more hurdles. What I can see is there is another prisoner over here on the bottom left. We cannot talk to him because he is locked up in another room. I'm hitting space key. There is nothing happening over here. Of course, since I built this game, I know what I have to do. Simply, I'm going to open this wall over here. The font, it's kind of skewed. It works fine in Mac, but in Windows, I'm not sure why some letters are getting skewed. I'm just going to push the wall. Wall crumbles. And here you go. I know the key is inside this guy over here. So basically, once you are here, you have to keep looking for things by hitting space key. I have to add the tutorial as well. But basically, this map which you see over here is going to be served as a tutorial map, because map 3 is going to be actually the quest which I haven't built yet. But we are going to see how I'm going to do that today. Okay, ignore the font, and I have to fix that. Alright, so if I hit the Alt key, I can see, okay, by the way, ignore the two characters, the Shashank. He was added as a debugging. He shouldn't be there when you are starting. If you go to items, now you can see I have few items already over there because I have added them for debugging as well again. Okay, the skeleton key is in our key items. A human calcified bone, good for digging up. Alright, hit back, escape, and okay, so we have our first clue, good for digging up. We have to dig something, and let's take a clue from the other prisoner. He's coming to us. Let's go to him, and I'm just going to hit the space key. You are another black blood, aren't you? Tomorrow morning they'll just kill you, just like the others. If I was you, I would try escape. Pry the drain open with that big bone you're holding. Okay, if I try to communicate with him again, it's going to start again. It's like never-ending loop. But let's see. I have also deleted some cutscenes. So basically, when we escape the jail, there is another the same previous warrior. He comes back and he talks to this prisoner where we went and all. So yep, and the cutscene. I thought I removed it, but yeah, I think I must have added it back. So this is the cutscene. I should add some music over here. And you can see in the bottom I'm also playing sound. If you're not able to hear the sound from my system. That means I have messed up my stream, but it's okay. Even when I show up over here, there was a sound played, that is reveal sound. And now I'm just going to play further. Okay, so now let's just, oh, there is a test. I'm going to open it. All right, so we found few items. I'm going to talk to this guy, Sashank. Yes, recruit this guy as well, recruit. All right, so this is the arena. If I hit space again, you'll see the round 1 is open, but rest of the rounds are locked, because you have to clear each levels. If I go back and try to open and try to explore things, okay, there is another mission over here, which is over here. So it says ready for fight, get back. By the way, this I didn't have to press space key over here. This was like a automatic trigger if you pass on a certain tiles. And this guy over here is not an automatic trigger, but it is a use trigger. If I hit space, it opens up. So let's try to fight. I think I have reduced the health of the monster, but let's see. No, it's going to take a while. It will take a lot of grinding to upgrade the levels, but let's see it in action. The logic of the current logic of this attack menu is it is based on the character. So if you see Shashank over here, this guy and this guy, so it's the same name, Shashank. He is a thief. He doesn't have magic items, so the magic menu is not visible to him. I'm just going to hit the attack, and he attacks. Okay, so this is like a queued up. He is in queue. As you can see, his animation has changed now, and I'm going to hit attack now, and it's queued. All right, ta-da. And mage. Okay, and I am lagging a bit because I'm streaming and doing stuff together, and I had to keep my laptop in better performance. So there is this another key called best performance. I'm not sure what will happen if I do it during the stream. Okay, it works so far, and my OBS is still working fine. Okay, so it should be fine. Yeah, attack. Yep. And you might be wondering, I chose this guy, but she is attacking because she was queued up. Her attack was in a queue. Okay, and now you can see this guy is moving because he is going to attack. All right, Shashank is a little bit on low health. Let's just use a health item, heal potion, and I'm going to heal Shashank himself. Attack. He uses heal, and here we go. He dodges. Okay, and he's trying to attack Shashank only. Okay, it's not like that. The enemy attacks only one character. It's a randomizer. Sadly, the randomizer keeps on coming to Shashank because I've chosen certain amount of modifier. I'll try to modify the modifier letterwords. Attack. I know I should have added some sound, but sorry, I don't have any sound, like the library or anything. Okay, he's about to die. Come on, die. He misses it. By the way, there is one important thing I forgot to tell. If you look at the mage character, which is Mrignani, she also has something called magic, but it will be shown only after level 2 because it's like something unlockable. So I've also added features where you unlock things based on your level. Also, Flea is there. We can try to run if we are losing, but we are going to finish him. Again, flee is also based on the chance modifier, which is like a percentage based randomizer. Okay, he's almost going to die. 7. Misses it. Alright, here we go, we won. And this is our the info screen, XP screen. And you can see it is animating. If I hit the space key, it will skip the animation for the XP. And XP increased by 150. And let's go to the next screen. This is the loot screen. You can see a heal potion. The enemy dropped us heal potion, and we also received some gold, and we have 9 gold points right now. Okay, we can utilize the gold afterwards in a shop. I haven't built the shop yet, but of course we are going to add that into our game. If I go to round 2, there are going to be more enemies this time. And but before jumping into that, let's see the status of our team. Okay, so the status is Chandragupt has increased this HP to 40, but he is low on HP, 29. Shashank has 18 out of 35. Mringnani has full health. Alright. Okay, so the thing which you see on the right hand side is the HP bar. I am going to fix its position later on. And also this is the time. It's keep on increasing based on the seconds. I'm going to embed a proper clock over here afterwards. But this is working. Like, we are keeping a track of seconds, how many seconds you passed. Okay, and I'm going to hit escape and go to items. We have so many items now. Okay, let's try to equip them. Okay, so that our team becomes stronger. Okay, so Mrignani, she has any weapon? No. She has armor? Yes. She is able to get Dragon's Clock, which is only available to mage. And alright, so equip. I'm going to Chandragupt, item, bone blade, armor. Okay, alright. So again, equip and go to Shashank. Let's see what we can do it. Okay, swift boots. Alright, perfect. The secret thing about my game is, if you are more fast, you get more chances of attacking the enemy. Alright, so let's go to round 2 and fight. Okay, and as you can see, Shashank gets another chance of attacking the enemy because he is faster. And I'm going to attack only one enemy because it will increase my chances of defeating one enemy at a time. Ah, that was very critical damage. Okay, so attack this guy and attack this guy, and Mrignani, you use the item of heal potion on Shashank. Okay, she uses heal and he is healed. I told you it's going to require a lot of grinding, because when I was playing with them, I had reduced the enemy's HP, and I was able to defeat them quickly. Okay, and this is going to be our last fight, because otherwise it will require us a lot of grinding, like increasing the levels and all. Okay, so we are going to use item on Mrignani because she has fallen. Oh, we don't have item. Okay, there is one more item which kind of revives your fallen fellow, which we don't have right now. Which gets we receive it when the enemy drops it after killing them. Sadly, we lost Magnani. And okay. Okay, so this guy uses heal potion on himself. And attack. Okay, after this I'm going to show how I am creating a tile map. But let's just quickly finish this fight. Hello Sumit. Thanks for the comment. How are you, Sumit? Okay, so as you can see, I have increased the XP only for the alive character, that is Chandragupta and Shashank. But I am not increasing the experience points to Mrignani because she got killed during the fight. Okay, and we got 2 times of heal potions, we got some gold. And okay, so we have now round 3, which is going to have more enemies. We can keep playing round 1 again and again to increase our levels. It's like a kind of a grinding, and once you level up you unlock few more items. Of course we can revive Mrignani if we had a reviving item, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you something. Okay, so over here if you cross this, instead of another fight I'm going to load town map, which is going to be still is in progress, but I'll show you what I'm going to build. So instead of a fight I have to load a map. I'm going to show you which map it is. Okay, so basically I have different okay, I'll just quickly show you. I have different maps over here which are TMX files, and you can see map underscore town is still is a work in progress. We are going to work on that now. So the part which I'm going to show now is basically going to be a graphic based part, but you should enjoy that. All right, so where is my tile editor? Yes. All right, so this was my so far work done, and I'm trying to build a town. Town is going to be like a map, and based on the tile map triggers, if we enter certain house, we will load a certain house, certain map. Okay. Anyway, so I'll just try to be quiet and work on the map. I hope you enjoy. Should I run some music in the background? Sumit, just confirm me if you are able to hear a music in the background. Okay. I hope you're still there.
The identities. Shabam! Pow!
Never mind. I'll just work on my map. Trying to build a town map. Okay, so let's just. So this is like a map of the town, entire town. And if we enter certain map, we should see certain things. Okay, I'll try to draw one thing over here first. Okay, and then maybe you'll understand further. Okay, I need some dust. Okay, and Mm-hmm. Okay, and hmm. Okay, for this one, uh, hmm. Okay, I think this guy will be on the details page, like this. Okay, and same thing for this guy. Okay, perfect. And on the background, I'm going to add some dust or maybe some greens. Okay, looks perfect. Okay, so now if the user enters this house, okay, he will see something. But just let's just add something on the details. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right. So if the user enters this house, he will see something else which we are going to draw over here. Okay, so let's just do that maybe over here on the like a very further topmost right top right section. Okay, so I need to build a castle. Okay, so player front detail, right? So okay. So this part should be like this. Okay, and in the background we will need this. Okay, and okay, also let's use this over here like this. And just add this. All right. Okay, I made a mistake, so this should not be on the background, it should be on the detail. Okay, why I'm not seeing the door? Oh, my mistake. Let's just hide this and delete this guy. There's nothing on this. Okay. Okay, so our player is going to get rendered after detail, right? So, I made a mistake. I think I'm going to delete everything. The background is there, detail, let's see, what is there? Player front, this should be actually player back detail. Just open my recent. Yeah. Yep, perfect. So this is correct. Except this guy. I'll quickly delete that. this. Okay, so far so good. And so basically, if I enter this house, I should load this section. Okay, but which is not matching with the door. So ah, okay, let's just move the door over here. Okay, it's good. So when we select, maybe walk on this tile, and if we try to enter the house with the space key, we will be loaded into this guy over here. Okay, looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a collision. So the collision is going to be everywhere except the door. Let's just add a new tile set. New. Okay, where is my map? Add external tile set. Not the tile set. We have to add new tile set. Yes, I'll just browse that. And so these are my resources. Collision graphic. Open and okay. Okay, so the collision graphic is going to be here, here, here. Okay, it is going to be like that. You cannot bypass this, guys. Okay, so now he cannot go out of this map. Okay, perfect. And when we load the map, we will not display the collision. Also set the visibility of the collision, opacity of the collision to be a little bit less, 0.5. Okay, save this. Access denied. Amazing. Okay, so I'll just log this. Okay, so if he enters this door, he will get teleported to this section. If he tries to enter this door, he will get teleported back to this. Okay, perfect. So far so good, and I'll try to end the stream till here now. And next time, maybe we'll try to write the code of loading the map. And also, I'm going to bring the course from start to finish, where I'll be actually starting with the game from day 0, and it is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on developing games with Go. And make sure to you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.